Okay, this town is one of my favorite towns I've ever seen. This is a store in Julian. It is absolutely... Hey, look, there's a match the dot things. Oh my goodness. Over down there. What are those called? Connect 8 or something? Whoa. Oh my God. Look at that bubblegum machine. Look at the tree. Look at those baskets. Look at the ducks. They're quacking. Quack. Quack. Wow. Oh, I need to come back here. Wow, look at the toy section. This is amazing. Oh, the horsey collection. Oh. You really like it?
Yeah.
Lemons. Oh. Wow. Look at these panties. Oh. Oh my goodness, I could... Oh. Oh, I want that too. It's hard to believe that we're seeing all these beautiful man-made things. And tomorrow we're going to be up in the mountains. Oh, look at this. It's only $140. Oh, there's Jill. I want this chair. Look at this chair. I am not kidding. This town is awesome. The town of Julian. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Mom, I wish you can see this. Look at that. Oh, Lord. This is just not fair. I can't buy anything. I can't buy anything. Oh, I'm being... Look at the little bunny sleeping. Oh, look at the llama. Jill loves llamas. Ew. Who would want that in their house? Ew. Look at these food planters. Who is their buyer? Oh my God, they're good. Look at all these succulents. You know what though? We are seeing all these succulents in nature. And you know what? This is what we're seeing out in the desert. Exactly this. Only for reals. Oh, I want one of those little birdie babies. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at. She believed she could, and so she did. And that's me. I believe I can do this. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, everybody. My mom used to make these. Oh, this is so nice. Wow. Okay, hello. I'm blown away. Oh, I'd like to get this for Alex. Just think, we are hiking from here. Yeah, to there. Yeah, I'll never look at a map the same. Look at Mama. Oh. I know these are just things, but, and I'm trying to get away from things, but, I mean, ooh, I want to have a game. I want to have a game. I am the queen at this game, but let me just keep looking. I love these bunnies. Just look at this. I mean, the store just keeps on going. Oh, I want that. I want all of it. Oh my God. Okay, so this was supposed to be a 0 so I could heal my feet. And now we're trapped in a corner in a pool deck because the sand is whipping us in our eyes. It's nearly broken our tent. And I'm asking for us to be able to sleep in the laundry room. But I can't even begin to tell you the sandstorm that we are facing and how pathetic life is right now. We're cold, tired, and hungry, and we haven't done one stitch of hiking today. So here we are living like trolls underneath the bridge, waiting for I don't know what, but we're just leaving Julian, one of the best towns I've ever seen. It's amazing if you could ever go there. There's some trail magic. We got some Diet Coke and some Gatorade, and we got new Adidas shoes. Charlie's kicking up some dust there. Not sure what he's doing, but we are about to attack that mountain there. There he is. Charlie, are we gonna go now? The mountain's over there. Let's see if I can see it. But it is so windy, we can get blown away if we're not too careful. Okay, there it is. There's the beast. They're all beasts to me. Anyways, see you down the trail. It's 5 o'clock and we've gone 7.5 kilometers in 4 hours. The wind can push you over and the terrain is flat and it seems breezy, but it's just exhausting. So we've stopped. Hopefully we're gonna keep going 5 kilometers to another campground or 9 kilometers to a water cache. So I don't know. I think I'm the only one. Jill's eating chow. Charlie did a measurement and it was 40 kilometers an hour wind. Yeah, try walking through that every day or for 4 hours and see how you feel. So I'm having this. It's really salty, but it's called Wild Rice Risotto with vegetables. It's just really salty, but when you have that's all you have, then that's what you eat for supper. So yeah, just been an exhausting day, but we're gonna see if we can keep going. Well, it's the end of day 8. We ended up doing how much, Julie?
15.
15 kilometers in 40 kilometer mile winds. I'm exhausted. It's 8:30 and we are headed to, where are we going?
As far as we can go.
As far as we can go, but the next town that we're going to is what?
Warner Springs.
Warner Springs, and then we get to go to Paradise Cafe and we'll have some eats there. We're on the side of a hill. It's quite exposed. I pray it doesn't get windy, but there's a high chance that it will. And that is 90 miles totally done on the PCT. So we're getting there. Only a lot more to go. Yeah, it's all good. 100 miles tomorrow. Isn't that crazy? Bye.